Welcome to Let's Talk Meshing's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature in just a couple of minutes. Today we want to talk about instancing within the frameworks command. I have the popular eSave tutorial open here, and you may find yourself in a situation similar to this where you have a vehicle with a store and you'd like to duplicate that store into other physical locations. Instancing is perfect application for this because it is very light in terms of memory and storage on disk, because it doesn't actually duplicate the entities that are instanced. It's just a representation of that particular framework in another physical location. Let's go right in and look at an example of this by opening the Frameworks panel. I'll go to the View menu, pull down to Panels, open the Frameworks panel itself. You can see my layout here from the tutorial with the eSave vehicle as the root framework. I have a transform framework that's used to transform the GBU12 to a new physical location, and then a framework that actually contains the store. In order to use this, let's go ahead and create a new framework. So I'll select the eSave framework, click on New. We get a new framework here in our list. There's no color coding indicating that it's not currently being used in any way. I'll double click on this to change its name, and again we'll call this one GBU12, and I'll call this one second, and then underscore transform to indicate that eventually I'll go ahead and apply a transform to move it to a new location. And so now that I have a framework to place the instance in, one of the most important things that we have to remember to use instancing is that I want the framework that I'm going to instance to be active. So I'll select the GBU12 framework, I'll set it to be active, I'll then select the framework which I want the instance to go into, click Instantiate Active, and so now I'm populated with a new instance of the GBU12 store here underneath my new transform framework. You can see the color coding indicates the GBU12 is multiply instanced, and that framework also contains geometry. You'll also notice that the new instance is at a physical location in front of the nose of the vehicle. That's because it has not yet been transformed and is simply located at the original coordinates that the store was created. I haven't applied any kind of transformation to the intermediate framework yet. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.